What's up, everybody? It's your girl Rishay here, back again with another video. Now, I posted on this Facebook group all about upcycling. I got the courage up to finally post my my upcycles with them, and I got an amazing amount of questions and a great response that I was not expecting. And a lot of it was my bra making skills. I don't think I have bra making skills, but y'all guys really seem to like it. So I went ahead and chose 6 patterns, free patterns I might add, so to show you guys, that way y'all can download it and have it in y'all's library as well. I do make my own bra patterns, and I will be posting those and how to make them yourself later on, but this is just a quick, if you want to make a bra pattern, here's the link, download, they're all free, very easy to use. I will warn you though, a lot of these you do have to resize to fit you. It's not that hard. A lot of it just, they're made for stretch material, so if you're going to make a bra out of a non-stretch material, you got to add a couple inches to make sure it fits you as well. So the first bra I have for you guys today is actually the So Easy Bralette pattern. It is the cutest thing ever, and I will leave the link down below as always. This is what it looks like. I do use this for more of my daintier pieces, my stretch lace, if I have antique lace. I love using it, but if I don't have stretch lace, I like to make the pattern a little bit longer to fit me, and then just put a little bit of fold over elastic on the inside. If you do need help figuring out how to make a bralette closure or a bra closure, I can definitely help you out on that. I'll post a video if you guys want to later on as well. But that's our first one. Our second one I use all the time. Y'all have seen it so many times in my videos or on my posts. Is the Mood Bralette swimsuit pattern. This looks like a bustier when I make it, but I love using this so much. You've seen it in these works that I have here, but it's definitely useful. It is made for stretch fabric. Be warned, I messed up on this last DIY that I did with the cats. I don't know if y'all remember the cats, but I posted it. Be warned, it's not made for something that is not stretchy. So if you're going to put it on something that is not stretchy, please add more. Make it fit you. Measure it before you cut your fabric, guys. I was stupid. I had to do probably 3 more inches to get it to close on me, but it worked out in the end. So there's that one for y'all. I know a lot of y'all like that. A lot of y'all had questions as to which pattern I posted with those pictures. That's gonna be this pattern right here. Another pattern that I have, again, this is a small size. You are going to need to make it bigger. I think this one comes in like A or a B. Actually, hold up. Give me a second. It says that the other sizes are in here, but I don't recall when I first downloaded this if there's other sizes. Okay, so this one actually does come already resized, but it is a block pattern, guys. Most of the patterns that you download are going to be block patterns, so don't forget to add your seam allowance. But this one comes in different sizes. It's basically a halter top bralette. Pictures right here. Again, I'm going to leave in the link down below. I like using this with as a top sometimes. You put if I'm making it out of white, I always of course put the lining material, and then I put the white lace over another white material. And this one right here, their picture actually was a good example of that, but I've used it for sports bra patterns to adjust it. I've used it for tops. I don't really use this one as a bra pattern, but that's just because I have bigger boobs than, well, what it's intended for, and it just doesn't work out for me that way. So yeah, very, very cute. Definitely will help some of y'all if y'all like these types. Another mood pattern that I like is actually the Mood Darcy bralette. Here's a huge tip. If you want free patterns, Mood Fabrics, you know, the whole, I think it's Fashion Runway. They run off of this company called Mood, and they actually give a lot of free patterns, and they are the most amazing things. I have downloaded like almost all of them, to be honest, but they're always free. I will leave a link to this Darcy bralette below, and don't forget to add your seam allowance. With Mood patterns, I think it is included with the pattern. It takes a little while on that website to search what kind of seam allowance they use, and I had to figure out it's actually half an inch that is included in the pattern. So again, take that into consideration when you are adjusting it to your boob size. Mood patterns do include seam allowance, and it's normally half an inch. So I believe these last two are by Madeline Intimates. I know she partners up with one of the major pattern making companies. I want to say it's sorry, my sister's turtle is running around. I forgot. I know y'all see this a lot with one of the major patterns that you can find at Joann's, Madeline Intimates. Before she signed up with them, she actually had her own lingerie line, and I think she is moving away from the bigger company and continuing on with her own. But this is the Barrett Bralette. This has a little cute triangle opening peekaboo right here. It's the cutest thing ever, but again, you do have to adjust it to your size. It does come with added sizes on the pattern. However, you do always want to make sure you check that. This one right here is made for a stretching material. So again, keep that in mind. I can't stress that enough, guys, because I made the mistake. And I'm so sorry to keep bringing it up, but I want to save your precious fabric, guys. Don't make the mistake that I did. Measure. Always make sure that you add if you are making up something out of non-stretch material. But this is really good. I use this for some of my more daintier patterns as well. In fact, a lot of Madeline Intimates are for more daintier, cuter, like not meant to do heavy duty, like wear outside of as outerwear, I guess. This one is another one by Madeline Intimates. Wait, is this by? I apologize, it's not by Madeline Intimates. This is the Maya Bra that I got off of a link on WordPress. I really like this one as well. Again, all patterns here are free. This one does not come in multiple sizes. It does have different cup shapes, but it has, this is what the pattern looks like. It really is one size. So you definitely got to make sure that you measure. You want to make sure that that cup size is your cup size, and if not, you want to make sure to adjust it. I know it's a little bit repetitive, guys, I swear, but don't be me. Do not make the mistake of messing up your beautiful fabric. But that's what I got for you guys today. Again, I will add all of the links in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys want to see anything else, let me know. If you're just here for the patterns, I am more than happy to share them with you. I thought it would be easier to just make a video instead of like replying to each comment and each message that I got through Facebook. So follow all of my socials. Follow all of my socials. They're all at Okayrichay. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.